Welcome back to another property tour. Today, we're deep in the mountains of North Carolina. We're looking at a 3-bedroom, 3-bath cedar cabin sitting on over 2.5 unrestricted wooded acres in Murphy, where privacy, comfort, and true mountain living all come together in one peaceful setting. Instantly expanding your outdoor living space. This is the kind of setup made for slow mornings, mountain air, and long evenings outside. Inside, the main great room opens up with vaulted ceilings, warm wood floors, and a stone fireplace that anchors the entire space. Natural light fills the room, and sliding doors connect you directly to the back porch overlooking the wooded landscape. The kitchen is open and functional, with granite countertops, plenty of cabinetry, white appliances, and a breakfast nook set into a bay window, perfect for everyday living or a weekend retreat. On the main level, you also have a guest bedroom, full bath, and a spacious primary suite with direct access to the back deck and its own private bathroom. Downstairs, the home expands into a full recreation level with a second living area, gas stove on a stone hearth, an additional bedroom, full bath, laundry space, and access to the lower porch. Outside, you'll also find a powered outbuilding for storage, hobbies, or workshop use, along with fiber internet and a water filtration system already in place. This is North Carolina mountain living. Private, practical, and fully ready to enjoy.